Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to print tasks and export views from ClickUp. So the first thing that I show you is how we can print a task. We click right here on the task, and then if you go here to the three dots, you will find right here the option to print. So if you select right here print, he's preparing now to print, and then we can select right here a color or whatever you want, and then click simply right here on print. Then, if we want to export our views, we go right here to our working space, and then we go from here to the customize, and then we go down to export view. We select on export view, and now we can decide if you want to create a CSV file or just an Excel. You can decide what you want to do. Visible columns, task names only, or all columns, what you want to do. Select a date format, so normal is fine, time format, this is fine, and then we can do download right here. Now is he exporting, and if you now select right here on this, you can find right here in Excel or exported file like this. So this is exactly how you can print tasks and export views. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.